Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive app, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then we will enter to the window of Google Drive. Here we click force stop and we click OK. After that we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. Then you can go to Play Store. Here in this page you can click uninstall your app and you can wait a moment to install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.